Hey guys. How are you?
I know you're somewhere, somewhere.
Alright now people, yet again we're back again with a brand new video, you see me? Now, today we are going to do something different as the first video, as I said in the first video one time we do the first video where I say yo, we don't just listen to dancehall, you see me? We listen to all genre of music, you see me? Variety of music we listen to, different artists, different country, everything. You see me? It no matter me the country, it no matter me the artist. Once the song sound good to me, I go listen to it. You see me? Now, today we are listen to an artist, a Nigerian artist, Jacob Banks. You see me? Bad artist, bad singer. You see me? We actually have the two videos today. Are the same artist, two different songs though. You see me? So yeah. I can just jump in it and vibe to the first one. You see me? I want to see if we can do them short. We don't really want to do a long video today. You see me? You know today is Sunday. So yeah. But first, before we even jump in at the first song, you see me? Just remember to click the like button, share the video with your friend them, you see me? Any family member, it don't really matter, you see me? And click the subscribe button if you don't subscribe yet. Click the post notification bell, and the post notification bell will just really get you the new videos them when time we upload the new videos them, you see me? So it just give you a notification instant, say yo, the channel post a brand new video, so you can go check it out, you see me? So just notify you really, you see me? Alright, enough talking. Let's go into the first song.
Follow Johnny into the wild. Showed you my shame, ran a mile. I'll sing your lullabies, melodies like a symphony. We walk the same inside the fire.
Yeah, we stopped the song early in that video, so just to say this, if you say he's a Nigerian artist, him not really sound Nigerian, really, you see me? But man can sing, you see me? Forgot to tell you the song name, even though it's in the title and the list, but the song name Mercy though, you see me? So I have that little Christian vibe there. So that's why we start with that song there first. You see me? Start with that song the first. Just to bless up your day, really. You see me? I say, if you want to take it as that. You see me? So yeah.
I just got a little mercy, mercy on me. I could use a little mercy, mercy on me. I'll drink your holy water, liberty, your make-believes. I could use a little mercy, mercy on me. I play the game.
people. So that's the first song. You see me? I'll do the next one in the next couple of minutes. You see me? Them all post minutes apart anyway, so we never really need to say that. As for the song though, as we said, the song a nice song. The song a really relaxing song, really. I just want a song where you just listen to just if you just clear your thoughts basically. You see me? I say if some people do that when they listen to music. It's because me do that, that's why I just drop that in, you see me?